Hi, I'm Steve Rudolph. I'm a forester with the Colorado State Forest Service Woodland Park Field Office, and I have 60 seconds for you on how you can pamper your newly planted seedlings with a blanket of weed barrier fabric or organic mulch. I'm going to apply a square of landscape fabric around this newly planted seedling. The benefits of landscape fabric are the same as those of organic mulch, and you could use the two of them interchangeably for the same uses. The main three benefits are that it's going to eliminate competition from weeds and other plants that are going after the same moisture and nutrients that your newly planted tree is needing to survive. It traps soil moisture, so you're not losing as much to evaporative losses, and it's going to help moderate soil temperature. It's pretty simple. I just place this around my seedling and place these stakes in the corner. If you're going to do this with organic mulch, you're just going to place a layer about 3 inches thick for a couple feet around the tree. And just bear in mind, if you're using organic mulch, that you don't want it pressing right up against the stem. Give it an inch or two to breathe so it's not trapping moisture and promoting rot. Once you have stakes in all 4 corners of your weed barrier square, you're all set. Check out the links below to other online resources and videos in our tree planting series.